Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the angle that you see on your screen now. Again, the first thing we're going to do is classify what type of an angle it is. So to do that, I'm going to make myself that right angle again, which I know is the corner of a piece of paper, which equals 90 degrees. So there is that right angle that I made. And I can clearly see that this angle here, here's the angle indicator to show me what angle I'm measuring. This inside angle, I can clearly see that that is less than 90 degrees. So I already know now that that is an acute angle. But what's interesting about that is I'm wondering, because it almost looks like this is a 90-degree angle cut in half. Well, half of 90, as we know, is 45. So I just about bet my estimate on this angle is that this is a 45-degree angle. But let's make sure. So again, I have the center of my protractor. Some protractors have a little hole down there. Some of them have a little X down there. That goes on the middle of this angle. So it goes right here on the middle vertex of that angle. And then I'm going to line the bottom array up with the bottom line that goes through 0 on the protractor. So I'm going to go ahead and put my vertex there. And I'm going to line up that bottom array so that it goes through 0. Now, as you can see, the angle opens up to the right, so I'm going to start with the scale at 0 on the right. So as you can see here, right here it starts at 0. Then I'm going to count up until I get to this part of the angle. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. We don't quite get to 50. It's really close to halfway, so halfway between 40 and 50 is 45. So I'm going to classify that angle. I'm going to say it's about a 45-degree angle, which is an acute angle. So we were correct with our estimate that this angle is half of a 90-degree angle. So one more time, I line up my vertex, make sure that my 0 is going through the bottom array. It opens up on the right, so I'm going to start at the 0 over on the right where it goes through the array, and I'm going to count up 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, not quite 50, halfway is 45, so a 45-degree angle, an acute angle.